Here are 50 sentences using I am calling to. These sentences illustrate how I am calling to is used to state the purpose of a phone call in various contexts. 1. I am calling to confirm our meeting tomorrow. 2. I am calling to ask about your health. 3. I am calling to inform you about the latest updates. 4. I am calling to reschedule our appointment. 5. I am calling to check on the delivery status. 6. I am calling to thank you for your help. 7. I am calling to invite you to my birthday party. 8. I am calling to remind you about the deadline. 9. I am calling to discuss the project details. 10. I am calling to let you know I'm running late. 11. I am calling to inquire about the job opening. 12. I am calling to make a reservation for dinner. 13. I am calling to report a technical issue. 14. I am calling to request some information. 15. I am calling to clarify a misunderstanding. 16. I am calling to cancel my subscription. 17. I am calling to apologize for the mistake. 18. I am calling to congratulate you on your achievement. 19. I am calling to check if you are free this weekend. 20. I am calling to update you on the progress. 21. I am calling to follow up on our last conversation. 22. I am calling to place an order for office supplies. 23. I am calling to express my gratitude for your support. 24. I am calling to confirm the booking for the hotel. 25. I am calling to let you know about an emergency. 26. I am calling to wish you a happy anniversary. 27. I am calling to see if you need any help. 28. I am calling to notify you about a change in plans. 29. I am calling to provide you with the requested documents. 30. I am calling to arrange a meeting with the manager. 31. I am calling to discuss the terms of the contract. 32. I am calling to invite you to our company's event. 33. I am calling to check if the payment has been received. 34. I am calling to share some good news. 35. I am calling to remind you about your doctor's appointment. 36. I am calling to confirm your attendance at the seminar. 37. I am calling to get an update on the repair status. 38. I am calling to book tickets for the concert. 39. I am calling to discuss an urgent matter. 40. I am calling to ask for directions to your office. 41. I am calling to file a complaint about the service. 42. I am calling to request a copy of the invoice. 43. I am calling to let you know I arrived safely. 44. I am calling to remind you about the payment due. 45. I am calling to confirm the time of the interview. 46. I am calling to schedule a consultation. 47. I am calling to explain the changes in the schedule. 48. I am calling to reconnect after such a long time. 49. I am calling to suggest a new idea for the project. 50. I am calling to wish you a happy holiday season.